Change of plans. Like we said before, kind of have to play around with the weather. Well, the weather's playing with us, but it's a whooping 46 degrees. We decided, and of course it's raining. We woke up to rain, and so we decided to hop in the car. So instead of doing a hike today, we are driving to Whittier. And doing the tunnel. Now, obviously, everything, sunshine, no rain, or whatever, would be perfect. Probably would have greater views, but we can't count on that anytime soon. So, we decided to do it today.
For the next couple of days isn't good. So.
Yeah. So, we're doing this today, and we're on our way there.
We are. Sorry, making a little turn here. Yeah, so the big thing on Whittier is the tunnel. So when we get there, we'll kind of explain the tunnel. But it's like 2 miles, mile and a half, something. And then Whittier is only 10 miles past that, so we figured, we'll just go to Whittier because it's a unique little town. So yeah, so that's what should be coming up in the video.
Yep.
We'll see how it works. Alright, we made it to the tunnel. The tunnel is called the Anton Anderson Memorial Tunnel, and it's a single lane. I guess it's a train. The train still goes through it, and so they scheduled everybody's driving through it during the times when the train's not going. And everybody says you got to check with the train schedule to make sure, to see what times you can go through. What happens is, so there's a toll road. What was it? $13, I think. So behind us, I don't know, 1/10 of a mile is the toll booth, and they have several lanes here. And so if you're going to Whittier through the tunnel, they're normally at 1/2 the hours when they open it up. And if you're coming back from Whittier this way, then they open it at the top of the hour, unless the train schedule changes. So we're here at 11, and it's going to open up at 11:30 for us to go through. So it gives you an idea of that. It is, the drive here is just beautiful, and man, I don't know, the waterfall coming off the mountains there. It's probably good that it's not blue sky and really nice out, because otherwise I'd be house hunting. Right?
Yeah, probably.
I mean, this is beautiful country. The mountains just jut out everywhere, and they all have snow on top, so it's pretty awesome. But so what we're going to do,
fireplace sounds good right about now.
Yes, that does sound good. So what we're going to do is I'm going to mount the camera on the windshield here, and then as we go through, we'll just kind of video going through. I guess can't be more than 15 feet high, and it's somewhat narrow in that, not 2 lanes of traffic can go, and I guess there's railroad tracks right down the middle. So talk about multi-purpose use.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Unique, for sure.
So we'll see what it looks like here.
Allow me to show you something.
here to eat. It's called, yep, it's called, doesn't look like much. Oh, good Lord. Swiftwater Seafood Cafe. And you'll see a couple names. Valerie Swiftwater Cafe, whatever. I think they're all the same place, just so you know. So we'll see how the food goes in there. Alright, so we're at Valerie Swiftwater Seafood here in Whittier. It's crazy, windy, cold, rainy outside. So we came right from the car to get it. The front of my pants are all wet from the wind and the rain. So I got the shrimp basket.
And I got the halibut sandwich.
And fries.
Yum, yum.
There you go. Lunch, check. So this is Whittier. Guy said in the winter there's like 500 people here. And the mountains go all around, and I know there's probably getting water on the lens. It is rainy, windy. It was 46 degrees when we came through. You can see all the, I'm gonna try this when the wind isn't so bad. Coming from my left. You see all the waterfalls coming off the mountain up there. And the huge waterfall up here. I think I'm gonna take my camera out and zoom in a little bit. So these are those mountains. You can see all those waterfalls. And that big one right there. It's crazy. Now that building is the condos that people own here. The claim here is everybody lives in one building. That's the building, but just talk to the shops there. Right down the way or past so that's the military barracks there. And there's a road that goes down. They're building new condos down there. So not everybody lives in there. But this is just a little fishing village. And you can see, like I said, in the mountains, man. This was a blue sky day and the clouds were higher. This would be an awesome place. So, but it is windy, rainy.
Yeah.
We won't be here long.
No.
This is this side of the tunnel. You see all the waterfalls here. It's beautiful. Crazy. So just a tidbit as we're in line to go through the tunnel and we're real close to going. It was $13 to get in here to Whittier. It doesn't cost anything to go back through. So that $13 gets you in Whittier and out. Good tidbit to know.